You know, email are a great way to connect with your audience. But the only problem is finding them in the midst of crowded inbox. Don't worry guys, I have a great solution for you because today I will review a great software. This is called Reachout.AI. This software can help your email marketing campaign. You can easily high engagement rate sending your email. Hey everyone, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that can help your business. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. So at first I will show you what is Reachout. Then I will explain Reachout founders, Reachout features, Reachout pros and cons, Reachout pricing. Is Reachout perfect for your business? So guys, let's dive in. So what is Reachout.AI? Reachout.AI is an AI powered platform that auto-generate personalized one-on-one video that allow you to engage with prospect at scale. You can easily use the power of AI and synthetic media to create personalized video email without recording anything. This software can help you automatically generate personalized video to engage with prospect at a scale with your audience. Guys, we know adding personalized video to your campaign would help your email stand out, but you don't have the bandwidth to record and edit them all by yourself. Imagine guys, because this software could instantly turn lengthy text content into personalized talking head video to embed in emails and deliver at a scale. You can easily convert your email text to video without without any editing. Guys, Reachout founders. John is the created this software. Reachout features. They are providing voice cloning integration, email scheduler with follow-up, STMP and Gmail G Suite, dynamic personalized background and personalized video thumbnail, elevator page transaction and video margin, ready to use video page and remove branding, selfie like video, power ups, personalized real video, voice and background, free stock image and video 1 million items, integration with API, Jaipar, Pebble, webhook, CSV upload, advanced analytics, MP4 download. They can provide also pre-made landing page. When you can use this software, you will be able to edit your text, customize it with your prospect attributes, or even upload a pre-recorded video or even if you want, you can upload your pre-recorded video with dynamic background to power up with your email content. You can even personalize email thumbnail for each prospect, making your email more engaging before they are even opened. You will also be able to design a custom avatar and turn yourself into an AI human with a clone voice to simplify the recording and video editing process. They can also provide 1000 human face. You can use this 1000 human face for your brand with your video content. Plus, you will be able to replace the video background with your prospect website or any other URL to make it more relevant to your audience. Reachout.AI support more than 3000 apps and over 100 CRMs and email tools, including Jaipar, Salesforce and MailChimp. You can easily edit your leads or contact from the data source and send personalized video from your selected email provider using the email scheduler. Plus, you will be able to leverage the built-in database with more than 330 million verified B2B and B2C contact and flood your campaign with fresh leads. Also, they can provide auto-generate personalized landing page for each video. You can easily customize different city button and embed chat with widgets to boost engagement. Build unlimited campaign and get in touch with prospect through a hyper-personalized and scalable video selling strategy. You can track your result, including video plays, button click, conversion, and monitor the entire customer journey, including video plays, button clicks, and conversion. This tool also allows you to publish drip campaign. Now you will be able to send hundreds of personalized video messages business on autopilot. Guys, you don't need a manually frame video for your prospect to make a personal connection anymore. Reachout.AI makes it easy to generate personal video and send them automated email campaign to hundreds of leads at once. They can also provide 150 voices. That's the feature of Reachout.AI. Guys, if you want to know how it's work actually, you can click this link and go to this page and you can find this video how this software is actually work. You can click this video and watch this full video, guys. When you can log in your dashboard, you can easily edit your contact and personalize your video delivered at scale. Edit contact. Quickly edit leads and contact from the source by connecting your CRM using Zyper and more. Personalize your video. Choose one of the available AI human and type a text or upload a pre-recorded video and customize it for dynamic background superpower. Deliver at scale. Send your dynamic personalized video to external tools you already use. Reach out pros and cons. Reach out pros. They can provide 1000 human phrase. You can easily use 1000 human character for your content, for your video content. It's an alternative to rephrase and bury yard. 60-day refund policy. They can provide 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily refund your money. High email response rate. No recording, no editing. You don't need recording and don't need editing skill. They can provide 150 voices. Reachout.Ai cons. This interface is not very good. They don't provide a free plan. This is the pros and cons Reachout.Ai software. Reachout pricing. This software provides 3 pricing options. License tier 1, one-time purchase $79. All features above included: 150 video minutes credit per month, 10 AI face generator, unlimited clients tags, unlimited campaign per month, unlimited same video sending, pre-made landing page. And when you choose license tier 2, the one-time purchase of $179. All features above included: 300 video minute credit per month, 50 AI face generator, unlimited clients tag, unlimited campaign per month, unlimited same video sending, pre-made landing page. And when you can buy one license tier 3, you can buy this $299. All features above included: 500 video minute credit per month, 100 AI phrase generator provide, unlimited client tags, unlimited campaign per month, unlimited same video sending, pre-made landing page, custom avatar or self-cloning, white label reporting, self-hosted landing page. Is Reachout perfect for your business? Guys, we know video is the future of our content. People most like to video content rather than blog content and also others content. People are more high engaged with video content. When you can use this software, you can easily convert your email sales copy with video. When you can use this software, your email engagement is 52% email CTR rate and it takes more reply. When you don't use this software, benefit email were ignored, low response rate, found it difficult to stand out in a crowded inbox, calendar looked dry and poor. But when you use this software, went from 4% to 52% CTR, increased reply rate by 6x, receiving lots of calendar is packed with meeting. Guys, if you are a marketer, e-commerce owner, affiliate marketer, personal coach owner, whatever you are, email is very important because email marketing is a great way to connect with our audience, to sell our product and grow our business. So guys, I will highly recommend that you can buy this software for your business. If you don't like the software, you can easily refund your money because they can provide 60-day money back guarantee. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my future video. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment box and don't forget to like and bell the notification button. So bye guys.